This is one of the great questions in wet felting, since the amount of shrinkage depends on so many variables. Among the most important are wool type, layer thickness, fulling method, and water temperature. It would be great to have a precise recipe for wet felting, but unfortunately there isn't any. But doesn't that make wet felting even more interesting? We can only say that in general, fine wool shrinks more than coarser wool. Thin layers shrink more than thick ones. Aggressive fulling methods cause more shrinkage than less aggressive ones. They can also cause more migration of the fibers. Among the most common fulling methods are rubbing, massaging, and kneading. But when do you use these techniques? Massaging is good for the initial phase of felting, right after you've laid the wool and added water and soap. It's also used for small objects. Kneading can be applied to get a quick shrinkage all over the piece, for example, for a bag. It's more aggressive than massaging, and it'll cause a strong fiber migration. It should only be used when the project is already pre-felted, so that the fibers don't move out of place. Rubbing with a tool also gets you a quick shrinkage, but it works in targeted places, like particular areas of a hat. It tends to be more aggressive than kneading, so it also causes the fibers to migrate strongly. Here too, the projects should already be pre-felted, and it should definitely not be used for delicate projects.